Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The AAG. In today's video, I'm going to share you how to prepare idli in electric kettle. This recipe is hostler and bachelor friendly. You can prepare these idlis at your hostel. Yes, you heard it right. You can prepare these delicious idlis at your hostel using instant idli mix. So stay tuned. End of the video, there is a surprise for you. So let's get started and know how to prepare these kettle idlis. So to prepare the idli mix, I have grinded 1 cup of urad dal smoothly into fine powder. If you want to make this in bulk quantities, you can either give to a flour mill to grind into fine powder, or you can also grind into smooth powder at your home. To prepare instant idli mix, take 1 cup of urad dal flour and 2 cups of idli ravva. For 1 part of urad dal flour, add 2 parts of idli ravva, mix well and keep it in an airtight jar. You can carry this airtight jar to the hostel and then use it while preparing idlis. To prepare instant idlis, take 1 cup from the idli mix and then add salt and half teaspoon of baking soda and mix well. Let it soak for 10 minutes. Then our instant idli batter will be ready. If you have time, then take 1 cup of idli mix and then add water and salt as required and mix well till the batter is thick enough. When the batter is thick, then cover the lid and let it rest overnight. That is, we are fermenting the batter here. We ferment the batter overnight. The next morning you could see that the batter is well risen and it has doubled in quantity and batter has well fermented. If you have time, you can ferment the batter overnight, or else you can prepare idlis in instant way. You can prepare this idli mix a night before. You can ferment it overnight, and in the next morning your idli mix batter will be ready. Now this is the perfect consistency required for our idli batter. For 1 cup of idli mix, I got about 2 to 3 idlis using the mould which I got in the kettle. So depending on the quantity you eat, you can soak the urad dal batter a night before so that idli batter is ready the next morning. If you feel the batter is little thick, add little bit of water and loosen up the batter. That's it. This is the mould which I got while I purchased the electric kettle. This mould is microwave safe. If you don't have such moulds, you can also use any microwave safe bowls or a steel cup or katori. So fill about 2 to 3 ladles of idli batter and keep aside. Meanwhile, we shall prepare our kettle to steam our idlis. So this is the electric kettle. You have to make sure that this knob sits into the exact positions. We have a knob and 4 options, that is off, 70 degrees, 100 degrees and maximum. So you should turn on the kettle only by adding water or oil inside it. Do not turn on the kettle without adding anything inside the kettle. This will damage the heating capacity of the kettle. Now we have to fill the water till the minimum mark inside the kettle. Fill about 1 cup of water, that is till the water reaches minimum mark, and switch on the kettle. Place a stand and keep the idli mould. Close the lid and let the idli cook. Turn on the knob from off to 70 degrees. Now when the kettle has attained 70 degrees, the kettle auto switch offs by itself. That is, if you could see, the red light gets switched off. This means that the kettle has attained 70 degrees. Now manually you have to turn the knob from 70 degrees to 100 degrees and let the idlis cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, if you open and check, our idlis are well cooked. Turn off the switch after idlis are well cooked. Let the idlis sit for 5 minutes in the electric kettle itself. Remember to turn off the switch and then let it sit for 5 minutes in the kettle. Leave the idli mould inside the kettle for 5 minutes, and meanwhile we shall prepare chutney. To prepare chutney, you must be carrying some pickles to your hostel. Here, take about 2 tablespoons of mango pickle and add 1/4 tablespoon of sugar and little curd to it. Mix well. This becomes instant chutney for you. Now we shall demould our idlis. Now open the lid and check if our idlis are completely cooked. Insert a toothpick or a knife and check if idli is completely cooked. That's it, our idlis are cooked. Hot and piping idlis are ready at your hostel. You can serve this with any podi which you are carrying to your hostel and this instant pickle chutney. That's it, your instant and delicious idlis are ready at your hostel, and you can cook these idlis by yourself using an electric kettle. How easy is it, right? So I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please implement this whenever you go to your hostel, and share this video with your hostel friends and relatives, whoever are living away from their home. New moms and working people can prepare and store this idli mix and cook idlis whenever they want. There is no hassle to soak the lentils and grind into batter. As mentioned, here is a surprise. We are coming up with giveaway for our subscribers. One person who follows all the giveaway rules will win this beautiful bag. So this giveaway is all about this bag. This is a beautiful blue and mustard color tote bag. This bag consists of two inner pockets. This bag is double stitched with great quality and also has inner lining which provides good durability. This bag can be hand washed or machine washed. To participate in this giveaway, these are the list of things to be done. First thing is you have to like this video, second thing is you have to subscribe this channel, and third thing is you have to answer this question, that is how many number of cups of water did I add while making instant sambar recipe. Comment down your answer in the comment section below and make sure that your comment gets most number of likes. The comment which gets most number of likes will be announced as the winner. So make sure that you share this video with your family and friends so that your comment will get more number of likes. I'll be linking the sambar recipe video in the description box below. Please check it out, and also I'll be announcing the giveaway winners in my next Wednesday video. To participate in this giveaway, follow all the rules mentioned in the description box below. Share this video to your family and friends so that they can also participate in this giveaway. Many surprising giveaways coming in the future also. So stay tuned guys. To never miss an update from my channel, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So stay tuned till Wednesday. Thank you for watching.